Hi everyone, welcome back to our new session of the UiPath. So in this session I will explain you how to use our device or physical device, or how we can connect our physical device with UiPath mobile testing framework. So as you can see, or I already explained you how to open mobile testing project. So just you have to go to the mobile testing project and select your project and enter the project name. So after entering the detail, you will see this page will be available for your mobile automation. If you want to add up your mobile devices, so there is a lot multiple configurations are required to open any emulator, that is virtual emulator, as well as your physical mobile device. So if you want to connect your physical mobile device, then it's perfect session for you. And if you are looking for the connecting virtual devices, please watch my further session. Here I am not going to explain you about total configuration. So complete configuration setup I have already created another session. So in that session you can go through how to configure all the required details for your mobile devices. Just like if I will say you for configuration, it will need for you that Android Studio, Appium, then JDK. Then there is additional packages are also required to launch the mobile devices, or to attach your physical mobile devices, or launch the virtual mobile devices for your automation project. So after configuration you have to go to here. So before that I will tell you, here you can see that there is a Appium is running, in that there is a log is generating, but when you want to start your server and for the configuration perspective, you just have to click on this. It will start inspector session. In that inspector session you have to mention your device name, which I have already created the separate session for that. So for complete session of that, so please watch that, then you can go watch this, then you will understand each and every aspect in detail, or by watching this you can configure your own devices at your own desktop. So I am directly clicking on this and launching mobile device manager. So once we will launch the mobile device manager, the pop-up screen will appear, or next window will appear for connecting with your devices. For connecting devices you need application, and second the device detail. As you can see here, so for adding any device just have to click on this, enter the name, Appium URL, platform, device name, platform version. So whatever detail you have to enter in on this, and once you click on the save and close, the device will be added for you, which I have already explained in my previous session. So as you can see here I have already added. So let me add this. So my device emulator name is new emulator, and Appium URL I have already created from the cloud. So this is my Appium. After launching this it will looks like that. But for configuration we have to click on the start inspector session. In that start inspector session there is a connection detail or start session. So after adding that start session you will get all the details in that. So I copied this URL from that inspector session and enter it here. So only this URL is available in Appium. You have to mention WD and hub for your complete connection or going to the inside the directory. So I am using Android device, because of that I mentioned here the Android, my Android version 7.0, and device name is this. So after entering this I am clicking on save and close. Then application we need, so I have copied this application from the UiPath forum website. From that website you have to copy it from here, and the application is test application. The app is my name of the application. Once I will save and close, this application will be added in my. If you want to add another application, you just have to click on this, enter the required detail. So I am connecting this device and application. So start an application, select new emulator is my device name, and the application I am going to add here. So once I will click connect, it will connect and download the application in my physical device. Now you can see it's connecting. So there is a pop-up message will be appear on your screen, allow USB debugging and launch the Appium setting. So once you click on the OK in your mobile device, it will interact and download the application from the this location, wherever from you mentioned that. So after downloading, it will launch the application in your mobile device, and that screen will be populated here on your desktop screen. It will take some time, depends on your resources available in the background. So the memory size required is largest size for launching emulator, UiPath, Appium all together. So it's recommended to use more than 8 GB device RAM. So once you will use that, it will launch frequently. So it's showing me some error. So come on, original error view. So because of this space issue, it is showing me an timeout session here. So just add this again, new emulator app connect. So now it's connecting. As I mentioned, the RAM will be required is a bit higher as per the configuration of the UiPath and device emulator we are launching together. So most probably 2 GB is RAM required for the emulator itself, because the application is huge. So once it will connect, it will launch application, as you can see my mobile screen. So if you want to check the text view, or if you want to tap on any screen, just click on this, it will jump to the next page. If you want to grab a log, so you can also do that, just clicking on this. So this is how we can connect our mobile devices and use and perform the operations. Once you will press on any tab, so it will jump to the next page. Just press on deny. App has closed the application. So as per your requirement, you can perform any operation. As you can see, could not found UI object corresponding to the selector. Close app. It will launch the application again. It's per our requirement, whatever application you want to grab it, you can do it by using this connection setting. So it's performing single tap operations. So as per your requirement, it will launch our applications according to our requirement. So this is all about how we can connect our devices and perform the any operations on emulator. So I have connected here the physical devices If you want to connect on your virtual devices, you can also do that, but for that you need to install Android Studio and Appium. Both the applications are required for connecting devices or connecting virtual devices. This is all about how you can connect physical devices. For this setup, complete setup, I have already created another session for that. For complete setup, you can watch that, and then you can see here. This is all about how we can launch any application or install any application through UiPath device emulator. So hope you understand it. If you have any queries or comment, please comment in the comment section so that I will check and reward with the resolution. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for the latest update. Thank you.